Hi, this is Pawan Singh from Dream Design Institute. Today we will discuss about cut pattern in nxcam. First of all, create 3D part like this. After that, go to file, then go to manufacturing. For manufacturing toolbar, or you can enter Ctrl plus Alt plus M. Then new window will open. This is machining environment. Then select this cam general and mill contour. Then click on OK. After that, new window will open. This is the GUI and this is the operation navigator. This is the main toolbar. Click on this symbol, plus symbol. Then left click on workpiece. In the geometry, select part. Click on this icon and click on this geometry. Then click on OK. It will highlight when you click on this display click. Now go to there, specify blank, click on this icon, select and choose the blank bounding block. Click on display blank and untick, then click on OK. Click on OK. After that, create tool. You can create from there, or click on menu, click on insert, click on tool, or right click on workpiece, go to insert, go to tool. Now you can create tool from there. Library also available. You can click on there and click on milling. For milling operation, there are ample of option. Then click on OK. If you know about the cutter diameter and all things, then fill the data. If you don't know, then click on just OK and choose the cutter according to your requirement. Suppose I click on this icon, this is detail, then click on OK, then click on cancel. If you want to verify your, then right click on operation navigator in blank space in any, right click, then go to machine tool view, then this is a tool. If you want to edit or want to check, right click on edit, click on edit. This is the specification diameter. If you want to change, then just fill the data. Suppose in the length tab, then click on OK. Click on yes for keep your modification. Now is done for operation. Right click on geometry view, right click on workpiece, go to insert, go to operation, or click on create operation, or click on menu, insert, operation. Click on there, cavity mill, choose the tool, geometry workpiece, method, mill rough, name, then click on OK. This is the all things the default setting. Then click on generate. Click on verify. Reset, then click on OK. Sorry, decrease the speed, then click on play. Now cutting style is from this side, this direction. If you want to change cut pattern, then click on OK. Go for cutting, and in the cut direction choose conventional cut. Click on generate. Click on verify. Now direction is changed. This is conventional direction. You can increase speed, just hold and the movement. Click OK. This is follow part. If you choose follow periphery, then click on generate. First change climb cut, then click on generate. Click on verify. Decrease the speed. Click on play. Click on stop. Click on OK. In the pattern direction, choose inward. Click on generate. Click on verify. Click on play. If you choose pattern direction outward, then click on generate. Then click on verify. Now watch the difference. Now you can change according to your requirements. This is the option. When you want software will select, then choose just automatic option. But if you want to choose manually, then just click on outward or inward. If you learn from this video, then please like, share, comment on this video and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone.